Got a no cool call in Rockland, California. Looks like the original contactor on this thing. So we have no signal to our contactor, but you can see we still have contact, and that's after we pulled it apart. There's the fan side, new cap fan side. There's our fan motor amps. Holy compressor amps, Batman. We tested to see if our contactor would stay stuck, and it didn't this time around, so they don't absolutely have to. They should. We went over our findings with our client. They opted to change out the contactor as well. Waiting for start.